So in this video, we're going to take a look at some mixed questions involving percentage, and we're going to try to work them out all being different. So to make this easier, we're going to write out our original formula again. And of course, that is that the original amount times the percentage multiplier gives us the new amount. And this is the same every single time. Now, in different examples, we might need to find the original or the multiplier or that new amount. So we've got to change up our way of working every single time. And to help me to do this, I'm using that same triangle. The original amount and multiplier go at the bottom, the new amount at the top. I've explained previously how to use that. We'll just jump straight into these examples. Okay, so after 1 year, the value of a car has fallen by 15% to 8,330. What was the value of the car at the beginning of the year? So we've got the M. We can work it out. M is going to be 0.85. We've got the new amount, which is 8,330. We're looking for the original amount. So let's draw that triangle out again. Original amount, multiplier, and the new amount. I am going to do a division. Okay, my original amount is going to be the new amount, 8,330, divided by 0.85. Okay, so let's do that on the calculator. 8,330 divided by 0.85, and that is going to be 9,800. Next question. A chocolate manufacturer decides to introduce a range of king-size bars which are 35% larger than normal. The normal bar weighs 150 grams. What's the king-size bar going to be? Well, this is a straightforward question. Let's just work this out. We'll do the same method though. Original amount, multiplier, new amount. This time we're trying to find the new amount. We have got the original amount is 150. We can see the multiplier, which is 1.35%. So we're going to need to do 150 times 1.35. So let's quickly jump on a calculator and work that out. That is going to be 202.5 grams. We're done. Let's do the next one. Right. The size of a school increased so that it has 750 pupils instead of 680. So the new amount is 750. The original amount is 680. Okay, now that's the pupils. And it had 38 teachers instead of 37. So if we're talking about teachers, the new amount is 38. The original amount is 37. Find the percentage increase in the number of teachers and the number of pupils. Okay, so if I'm doing pupils and teachers, it's going to be the same thing. Let's write it out. Original amount times the multiplier is the new amount. So to work out that multiplier and thus the percentage, we are needing to do the new amount dividing by the original. So let's do the pupils first. We are going to need to do 750 divided by 680. So that is going to be 1.1029. And if I do the teachers, well, that is going to be 38 divided by 37. And that is going to be 1.027. So let's convert that into percentages. So the pupils, have had a 10.3% increase, and the teachers, well, they've had a 2.7% increase. Comment on the answers. We can say the teachers have increased, but not at the same rate as the pupils. There are now more pupils per teacher in the school. Okay, let's do another one. We've got a person investing £200 in a building society account, which pays 4% interest each year. Find the value of the investment after 3 years. So again, this is a tricky question. We have got interest each year. So every year, the multiplier is 1.04. But we've got to do this 3 times for 3 years. So we can think of it with the same triangle, but actually let's jump in and use our intelligence here a little bit. We're going to take that 200, we're going to times it by 1.03 times 1.03, excuse me, it's totally wrong, everybody. 1.04, because my multiplier is 1.04, and then another 1.04, and then another 1.04. So we're going to have 200 times 1.04 cubed. That'll save us some time on that calculator. So if I work that out, I should have the correct answer. That is going to be 224.97. Okay, I want to round this one to 2 decimal places because of pounds and pence. Okay, right, let's do, well, we'll stop there, in fact. They seem very similar to the previous examples, so we'll stop there, and that should help us to have all sorts of mixed questions with percentages understood.